Dear connections, today we will discuss about one more important Power BI tips. Like this is not a tip. This you will do frequently in your day-to-day work. Maximum time, our client will come up with a requirement. Like in the top left corner of the report page, we need to print the date updated time. Like in which date the data is updated, like that. So we will discuss that type, one of that type of scenario in this video. Okay. So let's jump into my Notepad++ to describe you. In our database, there is a date column which indicates that it will print like when the report is last updated. Okay, and the client requirement is the data updated should be printed in the top left corner, and the format should be like this, like data updated, this sentence we should type, and after that it should print the ddmmyy, then hour minute second, and then ampm format. Okay, like this way it should be printed. Now how can we print? Let's jump into our Power BI. See that, like our data updated data should come from sheet 2, this separate table. Okay, so now what we need to do is like, now we need to write a DAX code. I already written the DAX code. If you want, you can pause the video and you can do practice in your own laptop. Okay, so like this way, this will be the DAX code. Like we are hard coding the data updated this word, then we are just printing the data using format and selected value. Why we are giving format? Because the format, there is a specific format like mmddyy and the hour minute second, then am pm, and from the sheet 2 table, there is a, under that sheet 2 table there is a date column. From there the data updated data should is coming. Okay, so now I am creating this measure under this sheet 2. Now I will click on commit. It will just print the date updated time with these two hard coded word and this gap. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to take a card visual. In the card visual, just take it, data updated time, but it is too large, we need to format it. Like we do not need this date updated message, this name, we will off the category level. Then the value is, let me do it as Arial, then let me do it as 12. Yes, this is perfect. At the top left corner, yeah. Hmm. Like this way, the stakeholder can see the data updated time, like when the data last updated. This will beneficial for them. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Even they want, even they click on this refresh button, this date will change automatically. Okay, I hope you all have understood the things. Thank you.